few more examples about solving rational equations. In this particular example, if you'll notice, I've only got one denominator. It can't be factored, so that's going to be my LCD. Just that. So I'm going to put LCD over 1 times all terms. Cancel what I can. So out of this one I get 8x. I need to multiply or distribute the 4 through, so it's 4x plus 4. X plus 1's cancel, so minus 8. So now this gives me 4x equals negative 4, x equals negative 1. Now, if I take this back, with or without the calculator, notice it would give me division by 0. I can't use that. That is a restriction. Don't go real crazy about this. Just make a line and just go no real solution. And that is it. So we do have an application, a government-funded cleanup. The formula y equals 250x over 100 minus x models the cost, y in millions of dollars, to remove X% of rivers pollutants. If the government commits $375 million for this project, what percent of pollutants can be removed? I've got two unknowns, so I've got to know what this is. So since y is in millions, this is my y value. So let me put 375 over 1. Now, I can get my LCD, but if you have one fraction equaling one fraction, you can do what's called cross multiply, and it achieves the same thing. I think I did cross multiplication in an earlier problem. So I'm going to go 375 times 100 minus x is equal to 1 times 250x. I'm going to distribute. Add that to both sides. And that would be 5, 2, 6. Need to check me on that. Now what I need to do to both sides is divide by 625. Turn it on. So 37500 doesn't look very focused. That's better. Divide by 625. 60. So to answer the question, what percent of pollutants can be removed? 60% of the pollutants can be removed for the 375 million that was given. It cost a lot to remove pollutants. That was just 60%. So that means the price would have to be a whole lot larger if I wanted to remove 90%. You could do that. Substitute 90 in here. I'm curious. Let me put 90 storing for X. See how much it's going to cost. If you put million on the back of this, actually it'd be 2.250 billion to remove 90% of the pollutants. And that's it for this problem. Thank you.